All right, let's get you tested. Now, you'll want to do this in the morning, ideally before breakfast or after an overnight fast. Make sure you've prepared a clean workspace for your sample collection, and you'll want to lay out all of your kit components and take a moment to label each of the three blood collection cards with your full name, your date of birth, and today's date. This is key for our lab to be able to accurately process your results. Again, your kit includes three cards, essential for analyzing over 50 biomarkers. Now let's get your blood flowing. Warming your hands under hot water can help, or you can swing your arms or do light jumping jacks or really anything that boosts circulation. Then you're going to dry your hands thoroughly. Next, open the gauze and the alcohol pad. You're going to clean the fingertip you'll be using. I recommend the middle or ring finger of your non-dominant hand. So maybe your ring finger just on the inside of your left hand. Then you're going to twist the cap off of one of the lancets. And don't worry, you won't see a needle. Press it firmly against the side of your fingertip until it clicks. Let the first drop of blood flow onto the gauze. Now we begin collection. So you let the blood drip naturally onto each of the small squares on the first collection card. Do not tap. Do not smear the card. Just let it drip. And you want the blood to flow to the right and pass the first printed line on each square. If it doesn't cross that line, our lab can't process the sample. You keep squeezing your finger gently toward and downward to maintain the flow. If it stops, switch fingers. You can use a new lancet and then continue. Once finished, you want to use the gauze to wipe away any remaining blood, and then you can apply the bandage. Then you're going to let your collection card dry flat for at least 45 minutes. Let it air dry for 45 minutes. Then you're going to repeat that for the remaining two cards, and packaging is simple. Once your card is completely dry, you place them each into the foil pouch, making sure the oxygen absorber and the desiccant pack stay inside. Then insert the foil pouch into the prepaid return mailer and seal it. That's it. Then you mail your sample within 5 days of collection to ensure accurate results.